David Startouch, and we are now recording. This is going to be a YouTube video. We're chatting here to start with, and then we're going to switch over into my little presentation. But what I want to talk about today is about this ship sale and of the Expanse. Everyone's kind of talked about this, I think, to death already, about the name and everything else. But what we have an opportunity for is talk about are the ship sales a scam? And I want to kind of address that like front and center right now. So as we start to do that, let's kick over to my screen share, maybe 4K screen share, anything? All right, well, I guess I need to go manually over here. There you can see me. All right. So, is a scam. I did a really long video on this, and I just want to keep it nice and simple. We'll talk about the Expanse. Now, the Expanse is a very interesting ship. It is a, well, let's actually go to this little thing. It is a single crew refinery ship. My brain is definitely struggling a little bit. And it is listed as a starter ship, supposed to be partnered with the Prospector. Now, I really do like this idea. I like this Prospector idea that it's a friend of the ship, and that's appealing to me. We're gonna now click on the RSI page because I am a concierge member. I have early access to this, and other people may have seen it too. We'll see. And maybe I'll turn this down. Well, just a little bit, 45 maybe. That feels okay. But this music is driving me nuts. No, let's try this. You know what? Oops, there we go. We'll start with that one there. Okay, you can see what's happening, I hope. Cool. All right, so let's realize our potential. This is a real, it's called a JPEG ship. This ship doesn't exist anywhere. CIG does sales anytime they can to generate money, and they're doing war bond sales for an infusion of cash. So war bond sales basically mean you have to pay cash. You cannot use store credit at all. And they're gonna give you some amazing benefits from this. So the short version of, is it a scam? Oh, hey, here they are. The answer is no, they're not a scam. But let's talk about this. I didn't see this before, did it? I guess it must be for everybody now. Or it's now just becoming available. I was gonna hunt these down. Let's look at the disclaimer. Limited concept pledge. It's in development. It's not ready to use. You get, but it will be playable later. You will get a loaner of a Prospector to use, as well as a Reliant core, and for other game modes. But so that's a Prospector's $155, Reliant core is $65. So you're getting those two ships until this comes out. There's some options here. We've got this one with lifetime insurance for $135. I did get this. I gave it to my brother. We melted his Prospector because he's going to get a Prospector till this comes out, and then he gets a ship. And then we can buy him a Prospector if he really wants it, but I'm pretty sure he's going to be using something different. He can also use this LTI token, pardon me, to update to a brand new ship that he wants. Now this is the 150 version. It doesn't have this. This, I believe, is just for concierge members, the blue. And the war bond, maybe? Or maybe everybody gets it with this thing. Concierge chairman, you gotta spend $1,000. Yeah, that's what this is. This is just for chairman right now. And $1,000 for ships, you will have option to get stuff. And yes, I've spent far more than that on ships because I'm building an org so I can support new players, and you can do mining and sell your stuff to me, and I will buy your resources and train people and help them find careers, because that's what I do. You can just buy the paint though too if you want to buy this in game later and just apply the paint, because it's pretty cool paint. Concierge members, that is. Now, all war bond standalones come with lifetime insurance, but you can get ship packs. If you want the Prospector and this the Expanse, the refinery. So you can get both with lifetime insurance now. Prospector's normally 155. This ship they're saying goes for 150, so that's 305. You can get them both for 260 and get lifetime insurance if you pay cash. Then melt your prospector for something else. Not a bad idea. Then we've got the miners pack, which is, well, it's the same thing, sorry. You can get it for store credit, miners pack, and it's gonna be 6 months insurance. Bummer. Prospector Misk, or Misk Prospector and Misk Expanse. Why don't they just call it a Misk Prospector 2? All right, the Roughnecks, Rico's Roughnecks. Though they're about war. You've got 505 and 565. 505 will get you 4 of these ships, all with lifetime insurance. So the Expanse, the Prospector, Freelancer Max, and Vulture. Vulture's not out yet, but it went for 140 regular. I forget the War Bond. Maybe War Bond was 120. And I did some math. It's 595 for all of these ships regular. Expanse being 150. It's 575 if you just pay for all of these ships regular. So you can get it $70 off. I mean, that's kind of amazing, right? $70 off if you get this, and all of these are lifetime tokens, which you can then, insurance tokens, you can upgrade to another ship later if you want to, which is cool if you know you want to just mine and do some solo salvaging. It really gives you everything you need, because when you mine, as you may know, you have to put your refined stuff in, or mine, refine, then put it into cargo. So is this a scam? It's a JPEG ship. Let's be honest, it might not be out for 4 years. Many of them have taken longer. They do have new systems in place and new teams, and they may crank out ships quicker, which we really hope they do after they've been making so much money. They are using tried and true marketing techniques that everybody has used in commerce for years. And that's what I'm going to come back to real quick. So, all right, I guess I already had this going. Cool. So let's just back this up into the various ships. War bonds get paid up front, right? So you got to pay cash. This is basically, the game may never come out, JPEG ships, all of that stuff. I say don't buy a ship with real money unless you have the cash expended, like discretionary income. And if you're in doubt, don't buy it. Avoid the buyer's remorse. You can melt it, which gives you store credit for a ship you want later. Otherwise, wait, just get in a game. You avoid buyer's remorse. They're using this scarcity. Before it's too late, buy the war bonds. Think of tomorrow. Buy war bonds today. And then I love this British one. Buy war bonds. We do the rest. Oh, and CIG is getting fresh capital to fund it. You think of how much a developer's salary is, makes $100,000 a year. Let's say that's just 10,000 a month, which it isn't, but I can't do math. 2,500 a week out of 4 weeks. So that's a lot of ships they got to sell for that one developer. They're going to do sales as often as they can. And who knows, they got to pay loans or whatever and pay all these actors. But if you ever bought a car from a dealership, this is what the brochures are for. You look so good in this car to make your life better. Look at your old one. Can't you imagine yourself in this car? What life would be like? Color's amazing. The paint for the ship. Did you get the long-term maintenance package? What if I give you a deal? You get the LTI. If you pay cash, I'll give you even a discount. It's scarcity marketing. Again, I just kind of recapped a lot of this stuff and just showed all the other stuff, and I made it really long, but I'm going to play this quote because it's fun. Rawr, you can be a roughneck. All right, so that's basically it. I'm going to just keep it short right there. It's already been long enough, and I wish you a beautiful day. David Startouch signing off. Join my org, like my channel. If I get 10,000 subscribers, when I get 10,000 subscribers, I'll start giving away ships. I'm probably buying one of these just to give it away later. All right, have a beautiful day.